Hi, my name is Valeria Catalani, and I am a PhD student at the School of Life and Medical Science of the University of Hertfordshire. I am presenting today our research project, The Market of Sport Supplements in the Digital Era. With the term sport supplements, we identified a great variety of products: herbal, ergogenic, amino acids, multivitamin, weight loss, and so on. These kind of products are really popular among athletes of all levels that use supplementation to enhance their performance, the sport performances, and to reduce their recovery time. The sports supplement market has changed a lot, especially during the last couple of years, and has witnessed a boom worldwide thanks to digitalization. Today, the unrestricted availability of products and the aggressive and sometimes misleading marketing strategy could represent a serious concern, especially if we take in consideration the presence on the market of counterfeit and adulterated products and lack of ad hoc regulation for supplements marketing. The present study aimed to gain a better understanding of the online sports supplements market with the use of a deep learning approach software called Brand24. It aimed as well to assess what kind of types of products are being sold online, which is the quality of information provided about this product, which are the motivation associated with the use and consumption of supplements, the self-reported side effects from users, if any, and the perception of possible contamination, adulteration, and if there's a possible connection between supplementation and doping. The project was articulated in two phases: a quantitative analysis to identify both the most popular fitness supplements sold on the internet and the most popular fitness for a website, and a qualitative analysis divided into a sentiment analysis to assess the tones of supplements online content, and the thematic analysis to assess consumption motivation, self-reported experience, side effect, and the other teams. The analysis conducted with Brand24 online identified a social media reach of over 4 million individuals for the supplements market, with creatine, branched-chain amino acids, whey protein, nitric oxide booster, and multivitamin supplements as the most cited supplements online. The most popular website instead were 4 and were as well identified. The results from the qualitative analysis are really interesting. The sentiment analysis identified 80% of the line mentioned as positive. This, of course, gives an indication of how positive is the narrative around the supplements use and food supplements online, something that is confirmed by the fact that only 19% of fitness for users self-report side effect associated with supplements use. The range of side effect reported was really wide, from less serious one as water retention to very severe one as kidney dysfunction. The motivation for use were identified mainly in muscle gain, increased energy, and weight loss. And through the thematic analysis, we managed to identify that there is concern among users about contamination, more than counterfeit content and presence of hidden ingredient in supplements. And doping concern were rarely mentioned among supplements user, indicating how low is the risk perceived and associated with the use of dietary supplements. More important More importantly, is that the source of information that were characterized and identified as most reliable were the online source of information, the fitness influencer, and the supplement manufacturer. To conclude, the positive perception of supplement use that was identified during the sentiment analysis gave an indication of the fact that more balanced information should be available online on the products that are sold and advertised in order to avoid high-risk supplement use and possible severe adverse effects. The unsolicited online posts that were identified as the major source of misinformation on information on supplements suggest how important is it that we combine online studies with laboratory analysis so that we are able to verify the presence of adulterants or contaminants in the supplements that are on the web. The fact that the risk awareness is very low among users suggests how important is it to provide them with more target educational and prevention activity that can be done through the use of social media platform. And something else that's really interesting that emerged from our study is that the supplementation can be considered as a potential new getaway to doping. Of course, the results at the moment are just preliminary, and it's necessary to analyze and confirm such correlation with the use of further study. Our future work will focus on the availability of supplements on the darknet and how this could create new anti-doping challenges.